Hi, you're very welcome. And what I want to do today is just give you an introduction to a thing called the focus cell. Okay, so if you're working with large data sets, it can often be difficult to see where you are. So you can turn on the focus cell, and this is kind of a brand new feature in Excel 365. All right, so if I come up here to view, and then I come over here to focus cell. Okay, now just this, and this is kind of a weird thing actually. When I was doing the lunch and learn last week, there was an extra bit at the bottom that said auto highlight. So if I go over here to focus cell guidelines, you can see there in the little screenshot I had in there, it says show auto highlight. But now this morning, when I go to check it, very strangely, it seems to be gone. And when I noticed that, I did a very quick Google, and it turns out that it's some kind of a feature or a bug. But anyway, it looks as though, it's for the time being, it's gone because it was very handy. All right. And basically what it did is that if you're using, Control and F to find something, it showed you straight away where it was, which can be very handy if you're dealing with large data sets. But anyway, let us hope and pray that someday it might actually come back. Okay, so if I go here to this one, and I'm just going to turn it on. So all you need to do to turn it on, it just come here to your focus cell, and that's it turned on. So you can see then it shows me automatically where I am at the moment. So if I click another location, there you are, it just shows me automatically where I am. All right. Okay, so that's just a really useful feature if you want. Now I can change the color of that highlight. See their focus cell color. Now I have to say I picked orange there, but that kind of comes out more pinky color, which is kind of strange. So I'm just going to change to a green. Again, that's not quite the green that looks like up there. So let me try purple and see what happens. Yeah, still not quite as purple as it is there. Now, if you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just come back up here to the focus cell. And there you go again. All right. Hope you find that useful. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.